Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to use is proficiently this appointment schedule feature on Google Calendar, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is go to the calendar.google.com, or you can search for Google Calendar and you can find it, or you can find this three horizontal button where you can find this calendar app here. Now you can go to the calendar. When you are on calendar, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here you can find this create button. Simply click on this with this drop down icon and you can find appointment schedule. This is actually a premium feature. So from here you can see, not now, so I'm going to create it. So here you can see we are on this appointment schedule section where we will be able to add the title. So I'm going to add a title like team call, anything from here like this. I've added it. You can add anything, you can add the title of any of them. Now from here you can find the appointment duration where you can set each appointment duration you want, like 1 hour, 45 hour, 30 minutes, or for 15 minutes, or more than this, or you can add the custom time if you want. So I'm going with 30 minutes. Now you can see it has just added. Now from here you can find general availability. So repeat weekly, you can repeat it weekly, or if you don't want to repeat it, then you can click on it, or you can make a custom schedule. From here you can select a start date, a custom start date, and an end date. From here you can select it neighbor to an exact date when it will be ended. Now from here you can find the availability. So you can find the Monday to this, you can select the time from here. From it, for example, Monday to this here, like 9 p.m. not 9 p.m. actually, so I'm going to get this 2 p.m. Here, and you can actually edit like this each and every part from here, or you can copy and paste them also from here. Like I'm going to select it like here. Now you can copy this, and if you click on this copy button, it will copy to each and every day from here. Now you can, for example, if you are available on Saturday, then you can click on this plus icon and add the more schedule from here. Now if you want to delete any of the day from here, simply click on this cross icon here and it will be delete, and it will show you the unavailable. So from here you can find it. Now from here you can select the time zone you want according to your current location. Now it's scheduling windows where you can expand that section where you can find this like available now or start on in days. You can change the date, maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked here, like maximum time. You can increase it or decrease it, or minimum time before the appointment start that it can be booked. You can also add it from here. Now adjust the availability, change the dates availability from here. You can change the date from here, like here. For example, this date you are specifically available, you can delete it or also copy for it. Now booked appointment settings, where you can find buffer time. If you want to add a time between appointment slots, if you want to add some extra time between each and every slot, then you can click on it, or then you can find that before that, like 30 minutes has just give you a gap or the break here, so you can add it. Or also maximum booking per day, you can select it, maximum booking per day like 6. If I select it, then you can show you here, you can go with this. Now here is a calendar where you can embed calendar, or you can change the color for this appointment schedule. Now from here you can add this here, you can find this from here. I have just added it. Now simply click on next, where you can find a booking page and photos and phone name, where you can add it here, and location, conference, and here is the description about this booking schedule. The booking from here, like first name, last name, and email address. Also you can add more item from here, phone number, add here, and also you can add more item if you want to select custom name, custom item. For example, team name, team code, or reference, you can add it. Simply add the item, and from here you can find payments and cancellation policies for this. Now simply click on save. When you have saved it, you can find this appointment schedule is just saved here, creating booking page here. So you have to wait until it's created. So when it will create, you will be able to add each and every schedule on that here, just like this. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, but it is actually a premium feature, so you have to purchase the premium feature of appointment schedule so you can use it without any type of hesitation. Thanks for watching. Till next time.